and I want to present to you today the Oneagent Delphi SDK that is prepared by our company. What is the problem with monitoring Delphi applications? First of all, we need to have the SDK that can support the direct injection into the code. The manual instrumentation process needs some hooks that has to be implemented in Delphi. By design, Oneagent SDK does not support such technology. Second of all, obviously, we need to instrument our manually instrument our application to make it work. We need to have access to the source code of the application. Our SDK comes with sample application that can be run, and I will do it like right now. And this sample application is pre-instrumented all the features that regular Oneagent SDK has. So in general, we have DB calls, instrumentation, instrumented procedures, interfaces, procedure functions, incoming web services, incoming web requests, external web requests, and outgoing web services. And obviously we can shut down the SDK. As long as you will click through this sample application, you will see on the bottom the pure path identifier. So in general, if you have, for example, a request attribute for Xdynatrace header available in Dynatrace, you can directly match this particular identifier with the same value on the Dynatrace side. So I can click through these applications, and all those parts of the instrumentation will be visible for us as a custom services. So we'll see exact the same level of data that we will see, for example, for instrumenting the C code with the supported by Dynatrace Oneagent SDK for C. So this is how it looks. The result of this instrumentation is visible here. So we have, for example, some custom entry points, some custom web service, database statement, outgoing web request, outgoing web service. So we see the full stack of this application available here. We have as well collections of some request attributes. So we have re-implemented the same features that already have the regular Oneagent SDK. In this project, there is as well access to the sample code, so we can move from design to code. And during this, you can see exactly how everything is implemented. So we have some analogies to the documentation of Oneagent SDK for C, and we can use it straight like that. So there is there is no complication, extra complication that we need to handle to make it work. So in general, this is one part where we have all the examples. Of course, we have as well Oneagent SDK pass file that contains the full code of the wrapper that is available for us. And this wrapper is connecting our Delphi code with the C code on the Oneagent SDK side through our DLLs that are available for us as well. So this is how it works.